How to pick corners in CS2. Okay, so innovative movement methods in game advantages can be significantly increased by mastering advanced movement skills. And one of these is what we call picking. So we have three methods or we have three techniques for picking. First, we have here is what we call the basic picking method or the simple picking. So techniques for picking are a crucial component of your movement toolkit. You should be proficient in following three types of peak. So what I mentioned, number one is simple peaking. Checking corners or angles without exposing too much of your body to potentially dangerous is known as basic picking. To do this, move left or right to pick, and then to preserve accuracy, immediately halt your movement by pressing the opposing key. Number two, we have the squat or crouch picking. Crouching while taking a pick around a corner moves your hitbacks and makes it more difficult for your adversaries to hit you in the head. Picking from left to right is the most effective way to use this method. And last method we have here is a shoulder picking. Shoulder picking is used to stall an enemy's shot, and it works particularly well against all peers. You can give yourself a chance to launch a counterattack by merely exposing your arm or shoulder to the attacker. Shoulder picking has a number of benefits, including letting you learn more about your adversaries while putting your own life in jeopardy. Okay, so very risky. You can gain an advantage in the game by employing this method to trick your rivals into disclosing where they are. Additionally, shoulder picking can be utilized to trick opponents into thinking you're going to pick when in fact you're just running for cover. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.